If you want to add sounds to Soundboard on Discord, it's a simple step-by-step guide. So follow along. Click your server, all right? And then you're gonna see the server name, click on it, and you're gonna see multiple options. Go ahead to the server settings, and you're gonna see your server settings. In the left-hand menu, go ahead to the soundboard, and you're gonna upload your sound, all right? You're gonna name the sound, in my case, test, right? And if you want to add related emoji, go ahead and add related emoji. And if choose the file, right? Add your audio file. And after you add it, just go ahead and hit upload. And basically what you're gonna do, just close this window, right? And then go join the general voice room, right? And basically you're gonna see right here, I'm connected to a voice or to a call right now. And here you're gonna see open soundboard. Go ahead and click on it. And you're gonna see the new sound will appear in your server, and you can select it as the sound beat for your Discord. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.